take this trail. This is my my DRZ 400S. It's an 04. I've done the 3x3 mod, which is a 3" by 3" hole you cut in the top of the airbox. And then I put a JD jet kit in it. Right now it's still got stock exhaust, so I'm running a 155 main, a 25 pilot, and I think the blue needle on the third clip. I just followed the instructions that they give you with the jets. I found it all on Thumper Talk. I spent a lot of time on that forum checking that stuff out. A lot of good information on there. This is just a little hill out here behind my house. That's a Lost Lake area over there. It's where the kids party every night. We're gonna go up to the top of the hill and check it out. These little 400s run pretty good. They're not a 450 though. I gotta take it easy. I don't really have a lot of protective clothing on. I don't really have much gear on. Just a sweatshirt, jeans, and boots. This is the worst. You know, you're most likely to biff it out here, you know, 2 miles from home. Then I should have put all my gear on, is what I'm saying. Don't be a squid, wear your gear. I just got home and hopped on this thing. I run over to my brother's house, see what he was up to. He was working on his car, so I helped him figure out what wheel bearing was going out. And there's Lost Lake. Fun little area. Hill is so stinking steep. I'm just dragging my rear brake. Well, not really. If I did that, I would crash, but it's nice out here. I don't know if you can get an idea how steep that is from the GoPro, but it's straight up. This guy's having a good time. This little 400 would go nowhere out here if this wasn't wet. But with this wet sand, it's pretty easy to get around. Even my my DOT knobbies are pretty wore. As you can tell, it's pretty difficult to get this pig around in this sand. I should try to ride up this hill or not with this heavy ass dual sport. I've ridden my quad up it hundreds of times. Drove the Toyota up it a bunch of times too. The GoPro does not do this justice. This is steep. Real steep. Wow. Rocks. Gonna side hill it here a little bit. Damn. This is not a Super Moto. It's got dirty tires on it. That would be the SM. The DRZ SM's got the little street tires on it. So it's one of those confused motorcycles. Doesn't know whether if it wants to be a sport bike or a dirt bike. I'm sure they're fun to ride. I'm sure they're fun. I'd like to ride one, but I don't foresee ever converting this one to a super moto. Although I have a lot of fun watching the garden snake. That guy is crazy. I've been enjoying a lot of watching accidental broadcast. I'd like to go over there and hang out with him. That looks like a lot of fun. I feel bad that his bike's broke down right now, but you know, that's just the price you pay to play. Especially when you start doing those Athena big bore kits and such. I'm just leaving this one stock. I might put a FMF Q4 on it, or Yoshimura RS2 here in the near future. And I'll probably have to switch to jet. So I was talking about the 3x3 mod earlier. I might have to put the 160 jet in, I'm not sure. But I'm about, I don't know, we're about 600 feet to 300 feet here in elevation. So we're not very high. This is what's cool about a dual sport. Yeah, perfectly legal. Freaking awesome. Then you can ride over to your brother-in-law's house. And they're out here drinking beer, hanging around. It's like King of the Hill, and then you just drive through the ditch and through the lawn. What are these guys, eating sandwiches? Drinking beer?